I just for the first time walking in my neighborhood, and it's horrible out here. Everybody hasn't been doing their job of picking up the snow on their sidewalk, so I can't even go to the store and get something. Got halfway down the street, I had to stop and turn back around. They finally doing the streets. It's about time. But the people in their houses have not done their fucking job as far as these damn sidewalks. Damn, fucking kill yourself out this motherfucker. Lazy bastards. You can tell who's not left the house. All these cars covered in snow. The sidewalks I'm walking on now, these people did their job, but all this other shit out here, now the traffic done came to a standstill. Nobody can get through. Now here go another patch of ice. I'm gonna have to walk over and try not to break my goddamn leg. This don't make no fucking sense how bad it is out here. People need to do their damn job. This shit don't make no sense. You can fuck around and break your fucking leg out this motherfucker. Alright, fuck it, I'm out.